Hi, I'm Jay Lutzky. I'm an attorney, and people have asked me, can I file bankruptcy and keep my favorite credit card by not listing it? The short answer is no. You must list all your credit cards and all your debts on your bankruptcy. When we prepare a bankruptcy, and most bankruptcy lawyers require that we pull the credit report, and that will give us a list of all your debt, all your creditors, the account numbers, how much you owe, and their addresses. That information is put in the bankruptcy petition, which you have to sign under penalty of perjury, as well as you're facing a $250,000 fine and imprisonment for filing a false statement with the federal bankruptcy court. And as the attorney, I cannot sign it unless everything is accurate and complete. So, you must list all of your credit cards in your bankruptcy, even your favorite one. Now, after a bankruptcy, you could get a new credit card, and quite often they give you new credit cards. Why? Because you're a good candidate. You can't file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy to wipe out your bills for another 8 years. Now, it's really important to make sure your records are accurate. Bring a list of all your credit cards when you file your bankruptcy and discuss the matter with the lawyer. But if you forget one, don't worry. On the credit report, that information will pop up. It may be an old credit card and you forgot about it, and it was an inadvertent mistake. But by getting the credit report, we know for sure what your credit card situation is, what your debt situation is, even if you unintentionally leave it off. As far as your favorite credit card, most cards are very happy to give you credit after a bankruptcy. If not, you can get a secured card by putting money in a bank account, and they hold that as collateral and issue a new card to you. Or you can get another credit card with another company and eventually get back in good graces of that company that was your favorite, and they'll give you a new card. Or you can list the debt in your bankruptcy and possibly reaffirm or promise to pay that even though it would be eliminated in a bankruptcy. You could do that. I don't recommend you necessarily reaffirm or keep a credit card and pay them money for them to give you more credit. Why not just eliminate that credit card and start fresh? That's the purpose of bankruptcy, a fresh start. Get rid of the old bills, get rid of the old problems, and start fresh. That's the real benefit of bankruptcy. Get rid of the past and go forward. How you got there, not important. Many people file bankruptcy, up to 1 million people a year. And with the current COVID pandemic situation, unfortunately, I anticipate a lot more filings because of the economic situation where many people are losing jobs, businesses are closing, and it's a tough time. So keep your options open. Whenever you want to talk about your options, happy to sit down and talk with you. Look forward to helping you. Thank you.